how to find hidden apps on your iPhone. So there's an area where if you want to hide your apps, it's real easy to go and find them and unhide them if you want. So what we can do is go ahead and hide an app, and then I'll show you where they go. So I'm just going to choose this one here, and I'm going to hit require Face ID. And then I'm going to choose hide and require Face ID. So once that goes away, it's going to ask you to hide the app. We're going to hit hide app, and the app is hidden. So to go find that app that you just hid, you have to scroll all the way over to the right side until you hit your app library. So your app library has all of your apps, obviously, and you want to scroll down and you'll find a hidden section here. So once you tap that, it'll ask you for your login, if it's a passcode or a Face ID. So once that logs you in, you'll be able to see what apps are hidden on your iPhone. And then from that point, you can go ahead and click and hold, and then you can go ahead and hit don't require Face ID anymore, and it will unhide that app. So there you go. It's very simple, very easy to do, and that way you can find your hidden app.